clap with me. Baby animals A to Z. A is for antelope, gentle and small, running through grass so proud and tall. B is for bear cub, fuzzy and sweet, playing around on tiny feet. C is for calf, moo moo sound, walking with mom around the ground. D is for deer, fawn, spotted and shy, leaping softly nearby. E is for elephant calf, playful and fun, spraying water in the sun. F is for foal, learning to run, galloping fast just for fun. G is for goat kid, jump jump high, climbing rocks up to the sky. H is for hippo calf, splash and play, cooling off on a sunny day. I is for ibex kid, steady and strong, climbing the mountains all day long. J is for jackal pup, small and quick, running through grass so slick. K is for kitten, soft and small, chasing a rolling ball. L is for lion cub, brave little king, learning how to roar and sing. M is for monkey baby, swing so free, jumping around a tall tree. N is for newborn fool, tiny and bright, standing up in morning light. O is for orangutan, baby holding tight, snuggling close day and night. P is for puppy, wag wag tail, happy and playful without fail. Q is for quokka, joey, smiling wide, hopping gently side to side. R is for rhino calf, strong and stout, following mom all about. S is for sheep, lamb, woolly and white, skipping in fields of light. T is for tiger cub, striped and bold, not very big, not very old. U is for Uriel lamb, climbing high, standing strong under the sky. V is for Vicuña baby, soft warm fur, running where cool winds stir. W is for wolf pup, howling low, playing softly in the snow. X is for Sarah's pup, sandy and small, digging tunnels under all. Y is for yak calf, fluffy and brown, walking the hills up and down. Z is for zebra foal, striped so neat, running fast on tiny feet. From A to Z we sang today. See you again, hip hip hooray.